Hi everyone, my question is Albert Einstein was an unusual child. How? So answer is Albert Einstein was an unusual child. He did not have any indication of his greatness. He had a larger than usual head. His mother thought him to be a freak. He was a late talker. When he started to speak, he said everything twice. He liked to play by himself and did not enjoy the company of his playmates. They used to call him Brother Boring. He had a special interest in mechanical toys at school. His headmaster thought that he was a useless fellow and would never succeed in his life. But he proved all the speculations wrong and later on became a great scientist. So thank you.